that there has been a destruction. So Set had destroyed all of the previous things, the systems, the lies, the misinformation, misappropriated control, lack of accountability, weaknesses, politics, management of control, housing and accommodation. How do we move forward as a collective? What needs to be rebuilt?
We are at the same level with the foreigners who came here and stole and re-established. Now they are ruling us based on what was stolen from us. So that is why, City, we need to rebuild now outside politics, outside religion, so that because that is what we need. We need unity. So that sense in Jengamachai, when it comes to their new year, they're united. You can be in London or America, whatever. When it is Chinese New Year, you partake in that. So we want a similar thing where we are going to be able to unite all black people all over the world so that naturally we follow that. Into a sense of it, because you can go anywhere in the world. You'll find that divisions now. We don't have a common vision.
We're doing this for our children, so that when they grow up, at least bayas baba puma pibangobani, and they can make wiser decisions. Because we were all brought into this not knowing who we are, and we made so many mistakes, but there's always a time when you look inside you and you can feel who you are.
So isikhathi sokuphahla na yonke into ela, even abantu mebethola ikhalenda, they will then understand ukuthi it's nothing new. Okhokho babo use this calendar ukuthi baphila ngayo. This is what informed them, on a daily basis. They knew ukuthi mekuvele ilanga ekseni, this is what they need to do. Emini nantambama nasebusuku futhi what is 6 o'clock abantu bathi 12 abelingi bathi 12. Because 12 you must know to divide either ubusuku or imini. Abantu, when we spoke about the danger that is coming, abantu they thought ukuthi siyakhuluma nje. We need to decolonize lo mqondo, and I think the first stage nje ukuthi abantu bathole calendar inayo yonke imphahlo, because njenge season kama art unayo yonke everything that you need to do during this season, even imiphahlo yakhona, namahubo akhona okumele uwasho lamahubo so that you create a vibrational frequency which then links you with the prevalent energy, the frequency of the energy that is prevalent at a particular time.